Hi everyone, welcome to Munich. We are right now here at the BMW Group Design Studio where some of the best automobile innovations were born, and I'm so excited to be here because BMW has some great news for you, including the launch of the new BMW Concept i4. And I'm lucky to be here to meet the creative masterminds who designed the concept. So let's see how it starts. Anna, hi.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You are in charge of the exterior design, right? Can
Yeah.
you tell us a little bit more? What do you keep in mind when designing electric cars?
We keep in mind our strong heritage. Also, we are focusing on our icons, but we are always bringing them into the future and develop them further. For this car, it was also important to have aerodynamic features. You can see here, in this area, we have this big diffuser, which makes the car very sporty and also very wide.
Great, yeah.
And it's lightened up with a blue color, the blue color from the I brand, which you can also find on the side elements and in the front.
Thank you very much. That's great. And talking about colors and materials, let's feel some. Svenja, can you tell me, what do you have here?
Sure. This is the collection of materials we used for the car. So, for example, we wanted to create a super modern but warm exterior lacquer. So we developed this frozen light copper.
Very nice.
And the design of the interior is very minimalistic. So we wanted to use some light materials. This, for example, is the microfiber we used for the seat with this graphical pattern, and we combined it with some natural leather with this olive tint.
Thank you, Svenja. And talking about interior, let's have a quick sneak peek from Chris. Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, of course. So at BMW, our motto is sheer driving pleasure, and we really put the focus on the driving experience. So for this interior, we really wanted to get rid of all the distractions and really keep it very minimum to the core. And we wanted to also bring in this luxury aspect, as you can see in this very nice, warm, golden accents, and this is all the areas where you would interact with. And we were also able to reduce all the switches and buttons from the dashboard, and we were able to do this with our brand new curved display.
Great, thanks very much.
Thank you.
An interface sounds interesting. Olivier, I think you know a little bit about it?
Yes.
Can you tell me something?
Sure, yeah. Yes, we present with the BMW i4 concept for the first time the integration of a curved display with a completely new user interface design based on different experience mode. For example, the core experience mode is, for me, the best balance between elegance and sportness. But it's also a great harmony between the digital content and the whole interior of the car.
Very nice.
The user interface goes beyond the limit of the screen, so light and sound are also part of the global user experience we propose inside the car.
Okay, Olivier. And what does it look like when all of this comes to life? Let's see.